Hello, it's January 1st, 2025. It is now 12:25 a.m. First day of a new year, calendar new year. I'm sitting here thinking about how to simplify and explain how I see and experience dementia working in me. My initial thought is to start by saying for every reaction, now I'm going to stop there for a minute. This is about the brain's processes. Reaction, thought, action. Reaction, thought, action. Reaction, thought, action. Reaction, thought, action. We do it nanoseconds, subconsciously and consciously or cognitively. What I'm seeing in me as far as the dementia is concerned is that with every reaction, there comes a thought. With every thought, there comes an action. With every action, there comes a reaction. With every reaction comes a thought. And action and reaction and thought and action and reaction and thought and action in nanoseconds in our brain. And we see it and we can recognize it. At least people of the norm who have rational minds. We who are outside of the norm have irrational minds, such as there are two sides to everything. But I'll go into more about that later. This is about dementia now. I'm getting a little lost. Reaction, thought, action. In these nanoseconds in our brain, moving at sending electrical signals from one side of the brain to the other, and back and forth, and throughout the spinal column and into the body through the nervous system, and back, and everywhere with chemical and electrical reactions, biochemical, physiological reactions. The science of it fascinates me, and I just cannot learn enough. See how quickly I get lost talking to the computer. In the brain, the processes, there is a gap of time. There is a time that elapses between the reaction, the thought, then the thought, and the action. Time passing over and over again between them, and on and on and on. Reaction, pause, thought, pause, action. There is an elapsed time in between. That is normal. In normal brains that are transmitting normal signals. The electrical signals that pass from one neuron to another throughout the trillions of axons that chains in our brains from one side to another and back and forth, whatnot, as I explained before. There I go again. The effects of senility due to pure aging as in comparison to the effects of dementia, are the same in principle and in effect. Actually, they are the same. As we age, as the brain ages, that gap of time elapsed in between reaction, thought, and action grows longer and longer and longer in between. As each brain cell is degenerating, the signals get slower and slower, passing from one neuron to another and having to bypass degenerated neurons and then not being able to get through it all. Dementia is an accelerated process of that. Time elapsing in between. It's at the point where, and this is a symptom of my disorders as well, mental health disorders, wherein I have to stop. I'm stopping there. That's it for now. I got lost. See, dementia. Completely lost my train of thought there. Bye for now.